runner 8 Tango Alpha, clear of runway V Alpha 2, taxiing back to flight ventures, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Bonanza 5637 Sierra, taking runway 18 for southbound departure, French Valley.
Good call, honey. Approaching 18. You've entered the runway. Got 5,900 feet remaining. That's crazy.
Are you ready?
Ready, dear. Lights, camera, action. We got mixtures full in.
Oh, these birds.
That's okay. They'll move.
Oh, little birdies.
Mixtures full in.
Mixture full rich, props full forward. Ready?
Yeah, that's
Feet
good.
at the bottom of the pedals, we're gonna go fly. Slow increase. Power coming up. Engine instruments are in the green. She sounds good, it's what we're expecting. Airspeed coming alive. 70. Positive rate, gear identified, gear coming up.
Tap the brakes. Full tap.
Climbing out as we expect. Okay, I'm gonna dial us back to 25 squared. French Valley traffic, Bonanza 370, departing the pattern to the south, last call, French Valley.